the way we had decided on the last date of hearing full court meeting, one was a pilot project, which was the Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Act of 2023 we considered, and the full court decided that that would be the first. That was done courtesy of Pakistan Television. Thereafter, the committee was constituted by Justice Muhammad Ali Mazhar Sahab and Justice Athar Minillah. And whether we can do it ourselves, we didn't want to be dependent on an outward network. And with I must acknowledge their effort, and they've made it possible, and also recommended that maybe people may be interested to hear. It's a presidential reference after all. So we are already telecasting it, and I think a public notice has been put outside with the link. There are two links. You can go direct, you can go through the Supreme Court website, or you can go YouTube. The link is there. So your application, before your application was filed, this decision was taken.